everybody! We're continuing our series today on lands around islands of adventure. We're going to give you an in-depth look at each land. We've already done ports of entry. Today is Marvel Superhero Island. If you haven't been here in a while, if you're just wanting to reminisce about times gone by, if you're curious about the food offerings, ride offerings, come with us. Let's go have some fun and talk about Marvel Superhero Island. Alright, so once you get through the entrance of Islands of Adventure, take a left into Marvel Superhero Islands. Alright, let's make a left and start over here with the coolest attraction here. The Hulk is a very intense coaster here in Islands of Adventure. Right here in the front, you've got test seats. If you're a bit of a fluffier person, try these out first. They've got the 1 buckle and then the 2 buckle. Yeah, so you're gonna have bars on the side, bar in the middle, and a buckle. It comes down over your head with the handlebar. Yay! And your feet will dangle a little bit on the ride as well. There are 3 separate lines. Single riders, regular entrance, and express pass entrance. Before you can even get in line, you're gonna need a locker. These ones in here in front of us, the smaller, skinnier ones, they are free. If you have a super large backpack, you're gonna have to purchase one of these big lockers over here. Don't do that, someone's gonna steal that. So you must place everything in a locker. Hats, keys, bags, anything on you in your pockets has to go in a locker. You can open it with a park ticket, with a room key, with a state ID, anything that has a barcode, you're good to go. On this side of Marvel Superhero Island is also Storm Force Accelatron. Let's see if we can catch it in action. Look like it. Ooh, it got so bright. So it's kind of like teacups where you can spin while you're spinning, Spin, spin, spin. Up next are going to be the restrooms located right next to the lockers. This is the exit of Cafe 4. We're going to take you around the front. Next we have a little kiosk here with all of your Hulk and Avenger related merchandise. This is the front side of Cafe 4. They've got pizza, pasta, salads, breadsticks, desserts. They're closed right now. They don't open until 10. We are here very early in the morning. Alright, and that is the bridge that we came in. We've already gone that way. Let's see what's over here. Interplanetary popcorn. They also sell churros here sometimes and some beer and soda. This is rarely open, but this is where you can get some good cotton candy and churros. Oh my gosh, are they making cotton candy in there? I haven't been able to find fresh cotton candy in forever. I would give her $20 right now if she would give me some of that cotton candy. All right, right across from the fresh cotton candy is just arcade. Everything here in Marvel Superhero Island is like you're in a comic book. So bright colors, bold colors, lots of, lines, and just like somebody drew this up. And equally, all of the stores are just called what they are. Like this is arcade. That is shop. Lots and lots of claw machines. Wait, what did Darius find? Look at the jumbo Yoshi. Oh my gosh. Let's go find out how many. All right, how many credits is that?
Oh, that's 25.
25. Let's see how many credits you get for $1. This is my favorite. I always win this game. Always. Is that Bob Ross?
Yes, it is.
Oh my gosh. all kinds of, you know, cheap arcade prizes, but also not so cheap arcade prizes. And also really not so cheap arcade prizes. Up there is where Dr. Doom used to sit and do some meet and greets and scare people and intimidate everybody. Alrighty. Alright, here's one that's working. Let's purchase a new card fee of 18 credits. Oh, okay. Okay, so $15 for 136 credits. They do not make this math easy, do they? Ah yes, the traditional wall of mugs. Hey look, you can be Captain America with a onesie. A hooded onesie at that. So they've got like all kinds of Avengers spirit jerseys. They got Captain America, they got the Hulk. Nice nice cup there.
This is not plastic.
That is not plastic. What? You're so rough with the cup there.
It feels, I mean, yeah.
Is that a Black Panther pop socket? Cool. Very cool. Ooh. Captain America looks like knitted and embroidered lounge flag.
Look at these turbises. I want it. It's 35. Yeah, you'll just stay up there. No one cares.
Alright, this is the other side of store. Right across the street is the arcade over there. And then Dr. Doom's Fearfall. This is a straight up into the sky. Free fall, bounce you back up. Free fall a little bit further, bounce you back up. Super fun, super exhilarating ride. Lots of screams coming from over there. Right next to that is Shop. And Five and Dime, they're connected. This is where the Amazing Adventures of Spider-Man ride is gonna spit you out. Ooh, Spider-Gwen. Yeah, go Spider. All kinds of Spider-Man stuff. There's just Spider-Man everywhere in here. Oh yeah, and Venom. What'd you find? Is that a mug?
Yeah.
That's a really cool mug. How much is that? Only 20 bucks? That would make a really good gift. Or, you know, present for yourself.
I'm good.
Or, you know, present for me.
If you even like Venom, you don't even like Venom.
I don't know. I've never seen Venom. It's on my list. There is the Five and Dime that we just popped out of. Right next to it, it's going to be a face paint station. And right next to that, the Amazing Adventures of Spider-Man. 3D adventure ride. Very fun, very jostling. Take some Dramamine if you get motion sickness, but definitely don't miss it. And you don't have to put your stuff in a locker, just make sure that it's all in a bag, because sometimes stuff can fly out while you go help save New York City. You got Spider-Man on the phone there?
Yeah. They got me on hold right now.
Got you on hold? Oh no, I hate it when they do that.
Well, I'm gonna go ahead and try to get a report for you.
Right, ask him if the insurance will cover our damage from Doc Ock to our car, okay?
Hey, will the insurance cover our damage? He said at your own risk.
Oh no, alright, we gotta get out of here. Alright, so right behind us is a Spider-Man ride. There's face paint, Five and Dime.
Hi.
Right across the street is store. There's a hot dog stand. I know over there that says fruit, but it's actually, you know, like chips and drinks and stuff. And right here behind this phone we were just at is Annie Ann's Pretzels. Aptly called pretzels, being attacked by Doc Ock over there. Right next to the fruit stand is Diner. Are they open? Is it 10:30? Is it 10:30? Are they open? Yeah, they're not open yet. We're not going to be rude and go in there. It says opens at 10:30. I said we're not going to be rude and go in there because it doesn't open yet. Oh, we just being nosy. Okay. Burgers, salad, and other all-American choices. With this restaurant and with Cafe 4, you can do Mobile Express. You go into your app, pick what you want, put it in your cart, and you can check out, and then they have a designated mobile order pickup spot inside. Right across the street is comics. Let's go into the comic book store. Ooh, is it? Aw, I thought it was gonna be bumpy. Dang.
No.
So this is a comic book store, but they also have lots of cool figurines. Collectible, knots for playing. Very, very cool. Very cool. All right, popping out of the comic book store, there's the diner. This is vacation information. These people want to sell you vacations and have you take a tour of their new hotel. Right next to that is ice cream. Oh, they got waffle cones. Lots of good toppings. Wow. Look at the toppings. You can also make an ice cream float. This is all still the comic book store, all connected here. Right next to the end of it, another set of restrooms. One last food stand before you exit Marvel Island. Lemon slush stand. Got pretzels, churros, ices, drinks, freestyle cups, chips. Right before you head over into Toon Lagoon. All right, that has been your tour around Marvel Superhero Islands. We hope you had fun. We hope you had fun. We hope you maybe found something that you didn't know or found something you want to come see next time you're here.
Yeah.
So as the day progresses, right now it's very early, they just opened, they will station meet and greets with characters. Face to face, you can walk up, give them a fist bump and stuff, you know, along the sidewalks, just randomly.
Captain America, Spider-Man.
Yes.
I think the only two villains I ever saw here was Green Goblin and
Dr. Doom.
Dr. Doom.
Yeah. Hey, on the way out, we saw character meet and greet right here. Captain America indoors with a mask, but you're still getting a really cool indoor picture. Really close, no ropes. Yeah, super cool, super cool. I know that Marvel is a Disney thing. There's all these weird contracts, so only certain Marvel characters are allowed to come out. I think Storm is one of them. I think Storm.
Yeah, she was out here.
Maybe
with
like
Captain America
Wolverine, I think is another one.
Mm-hmm.
They used to have really cool four-wheelers and they would ride down the street and there would be an announcement and that was so cool. They'd be like, you know, they're on their way to go save the day and stuff. Watch out, watch out. And they would come racing through. That was fun. I hope they bring that back. But either way, throughout the day, ask a team member. Maybe they'll know.
Yeah.
When the characters are going to come out, you can take a picture and just have a great time. Thank you so much for trekking with us. And we can't wait for you to come visit Marvel Superhero Islands. Any questions, leave them down below. And we'll see you real soon. Bye. Subscribe. Bye. I'm feeling a little bit of Spider-Man. How about you?
Oh, yeah.
All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Here's all the work desks. Everyone trying to get the news.
Gravity manipulator that can bypass the Earth's gravitational pull to...
You got mine?
Yeah, I got mine.
Is this thing on? Listen, Scoop. Crime reports are coming in from all over the city, and I'm starting to get worried. And you know what trouble means. Headlines! National coverage! So don't screw this up! I mean, good luck.
With Doc Ock on the loose, this could be the most dangerous night of my life. And yours.
If you think you're getting out of here, you're in for it. Yeah.